70, 71,
Present, sir.
72,
Yes, sir.
73, 73, 74, good there. 75.
Sir, 74
Present,
present,
sir.
sir.
Okay, but excellent, excellent.
So 75%.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. 76,
Present, sir.
77,
Present, sir.
78,
Present, sir.
79,
Present, sir.
80,
Present, sir.
81,
Present, sir.
82,
Present, sir.
83,
Present, sir.
84,
Present, sir.
85, 86,
Present, sir.
87,
Present, sir.
88,
Present, sir.
89,
Present, sir.
90,
Present, sir.
91,
Present, sir.
89. Yeah, yeah. 92, 93, 94,
Present, sir.
95,
Present, sir.
96,
Present, sir.
97,
Present, sir.
98,
Present, sir.
99, 200,
Present, sir.
201,
Present, sir.
202,
Present, sir.
203,
Present, sir.
204,
Present, sir.
205,
Present, sir.
206, 207,
Present, sir.
208, 209 present.
Sir, 208 present.
209 is there. 210,
Present, sir.
where is 210? Yeah,
Excuse me, sir. 208 is present.
yes, tell me.
208 present.
Yeah,
Sir,
yeah.
sir, 193 also present, sir.
193.
Present, sir.
Sir, 209 present.
1 minute wait. You should not talk. I'll tell you. Then if you come, you can tell. Between don't talk. 44. Not 44. 47.
Sir, 47 present.
Okay. 47.
Present, sir.
Okay, okay. 144 present. 141 present. 141. 59. 66. 85. 92. These are the options. Okay.
92 present, sir.
199 is present, sir.
Hey, did I read any your number? Why are you telling 193, 193?
192 present, sir.
Yes, yes, correct, it's right. 41, 59, 66, 85 are the options, correct? Huh? After class, again, I will ask. Okay. Just I will come there. I just you can ping my board, all of you. I will come there. Sir, wait, sir, I'm coming in. Network disconnected. I'm coming back. Yes. See, are you able to see my board? All of you ping my board? Yes.
Yes, sir.
See, last class what we discussed using Tally-Hamilton theorem, A for 8 also something we proved. Correct or not? A for
Sir,
8 also.
I cannot see clearly.
Yes, sir. It's late.
Your board is not clear,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes, sir. I can't either.
Network is very,
Looks
very
like the
slow. I
network
think
is
so.
too weak.
Slow actually.
It's too blur, sir.
Wait,
Everything is
wait.
blurred.
Wait 5 minutes, it may be settled down. This can have what can we actually be giving separately this video separately. I prepared and I'll send you tonight. Don't worry. This can have. Now you see, can you able to see?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
It's not
No,
visible.
sir.
Now?
No.
No,
No.
sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, nothing. No, going to see you.
No, sir.
No, sir. Nothing is visible. Like
No, sir. Nothing.
it's very, very blurred, sir.
It's blur.
Sir, I think you should leave the meeting once and then join. Maybe.
Acha, acha. Fully, I want to quit the meeting. Huh?
Okay.
Yes.
I think उनके like two phones connected है ना? That might be the reason.
वो कैमरा से डायरेक्ट ही प्रोजेक्ट कर रहे हैं शायद.
वो तो ठीक है, but उनके दो phones connected है. So that might be the main reason. Bandwidth नहीं होगी उनके.
लास्ट टाइम नहीं हुआ था.
सारा क्लास का भी मुझे कुछ भी सर अच्छे मुझे तो वो पूरा
Now you can see?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Ping my video actually, that's class board.
Sir, actually, it's very blurry for everyone. So we can see the board, but we can't see what is written on the board.
Okay. Wait, 5 minutes, wait, maybe network problem you can see actually. Huh? Just listen what I'm telling. It's okay. Hello?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes?
Sir, a student has sent you a picture. It is looking like that.
Yes, sir.
Maybe network problem.
It's not visible.
Maybe network slow, I think actually the streaming is very slowly streaming, I hope. We have 150 Mbps start what can you do? It's not coming. Okay, we say start to see how it is. Last class, what we discussed, tell me. The picture is breaking. It's not a blur. Due to network problem, it's breaking. It's not continuously streaming. Mobile network also. Directly I'm using Wi-Fi in my home Wi-Fi, Hathway. 50 Mbps is telling, what can I do? Okay. Now it's 16. Up to inside all I will write actually. In between top we suppose. Okay. Last class what we discussed? We communicate. Just anyone recording? Start. Okay. We proved actually using Cayley-Hamilton theorem. So what he is telling, every square matrix satisfies its own characteristic equation. Correct or not? So slowly what we done from there, first verify Cayley-Hamilton theorem is what we are finding characteristic equation. Then we are transposing lambda equal to a, we are replacing. And
Sir, your voice is also lagging, sir.
Yes, sir.
Voice is lagging, sir.
Yes. Listen, we have actually. Wait. Can have sir because maybe that is network issue today. Can bear with it. Can't actually. Same videos I'm sending. Just you can have class. Don't worry. I'm separately. I'm doing it, and just you can have the class. See now where I stop. Up to where we done that using Cayley-Hamilton theorem we proved. Then what we have done. Next topic is what? Next topic what we done? Tell me.
Orthogonal transformation.
Yes. Orthogonal transformation should be for what matrix I can do?
Symmetric matrix.
Symmetric matrix. Then that is there. One thing you can remember while doing the orthogonal transformation, one thing you can remember, the eigenvector should be pairwise orthogonal, means what? Xt into x is equal to always you have to get 0. Such a way you can try. That one thing you can remember. If you are doing orthogonal transformation, you will get 3 eigenvalues.
Sir, voice lag.
Okay, with this you have sir, no problem. Time being, don't worry. You can have x1, x2, x3, 3 eigenvectors. Then from this what we will do? Check actually. x1 to x2 is equal to 0 always. Pairwise or x2 to x3 is equal to 0 or x3 means for then on such a way you can choose eigenvectors. Correct. 1 minute wait. Hello, I will now can see. I get to see.
No,
Still
sir.
problem.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
No, sir, means what you have to see or not able to see.
We are not able
Not
to.
able to see, sir. We're not able to
Very blur, sir.
Okay, okay. Where I will go? Now, still blur, huh?
It's the
Yes, sir.
same.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah.
It's the same, sir. It's still
No,
blurred.
sir.
Still blur, sir.
It's
Blurring,
very blurry.
Very blur, sir.
Wait, 5 minutes, wait and see. Otherwise,
Yes, sir.
just yeah. Now we see. What we are telling, the orthogonal map transformation is what we
Sir,
can find
audio
that.
also is lagging.
Yes, sir.
That is network, sir. Just wait. Not continuously coming voice. Hello. Yes.
Yes, sir.
See, now by doing the orthogonal transformation, first to find the eigenvectors. Just you can check cross check pairwise it's orthogonal or not. Then what you will do? Once you get the orthogonal, what I told, from small number you can start. I told or not, from small number you can start. Then diagonalization also you will get small number. I told or not. Similarly, then what you will do? After that, what you will do? What you will do, sir, for diagonalization matrix? Eigenvectors you will get. Then what matrix you will find out? What matrix you will find out?
So we can't hear you
Are
clearly.
you? Huh?
So your voice
Yes?
is lagging.
What are you telling? Like, what matrix you will find?
So we can't understand what you're saying.
Very good.
So it's cutting in
See,
between, like the voice cuts.
okay. See, for orthogonal transformation, you prepared eigenvectors, then what you will do?
Find the normalized matrix of that.
Normalized matrix. How will you find normalized matrix?
Sum of the each eigenvector and taking the square root of it and dividing by it.
Yes. If suppose 1, 1, 1 means how you will do? 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3. Then you prepare the P matrix, normalized matrix. First eigenvector you can write in first column. Second eigenvector you can write in second column. Third column. Then what you will find? P dash you can find out. P dash is equal to what you will get? Diagonalization matrix you will get. In diagonal, who will stand? Diagonal, who will stand? See, actually, the who will come at diagonals and diagonal elements. Who are the diagonal elements?
So could you repeat, sir?
Who are the diagonal elements, sir? So eigenvalues are the sit in the diagonals. Now we will get actually quadratic form. How you will form the quadratic form? Are you able to hearing my voice? Hello?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Not clear, sir.
Yes, sir, not
Sir,
clear.
it is not clear, sir.
Understand anything?
Okay. Are you able to hearing? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Are you able to see my screen?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hey, share here.
Yes, sir, it's
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
This problem by using orthogonal transforms they are done. 1 minute. See, it's actually bilinear form means what? They will give us the matrix. This you can see this x1, x2, x3, this m by n matrix. This you can take n columns you can take. Then you can form this x dash ay is called bilinear form. But for you, we need actually quadratic form. This bilinear form not required. One example we see is here. See, suppose they will give matrix like this. They ask to find the bilinear is what? So how many rows are there here? How many rows are there? Are you audible? Hello? How many rows are there here? How many rows are
Zero,
there?
sir.
How many rows? 2 rows. You can
Two
take
rows.
x1, x2 you can take actually. So 1 by 2 you can take because here 2 means I can multiply. Here is what, how many columns are there? Here you can take 3 by 1. Then only this 3 will cancel. Finally 1 by 1 I get. If I multiply, what I will get actually? See, first row, first column, 2x1. After fully multiplying, I will get this. Suppose if they ask this means what, from this you can prepare actually. It is or not. So that is the way. You can write x1, x2. This is called bilinear form. This is not big issue for me, bilinear form. We go for the quadratic. Quadratic means what? Both are, that should be applicable only for symmetric matrix. See, if they ask bilinear form means what? This is what? 3 by 3 matrix. You can take 3 x dash, then y you can take, multiply, you will get. Here 9 elements you will get actually if you multiply. It's just a normal multiplication. But quadratic form is what? X dash ax you can take. Both are x you can take. This is the quadratic form. X dash ax. This should be what matrix? Tell me. This should be what matrix? What matrix I said? Quadratic should form be applicable only for symmetric matrix. Are you able to audible or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Suppose they will do matrix. They ask to write quadratic means what? Suppose 3 by 3 means you can take x1, x2, x3, then x1, x2, x3, then multiply. You don't worry, just you can write. I will tell you how to write directly looking this problem. Suppose if they given quadratic form, then also we can write. Just one example you see. Now you see, this is, they are giving quadratic form. They are asking write in matrix form. The square terms is there, you know. This is 1 term. 1 square means what? 1 A11 is what? X1 square quotient is A11. X2 square means what? A22. A22 is equal to, who is, tell me what is the element? A22.
Minus 2.
Minus 2. A33. A33 is what?
4.
See, here 1, 2, 2, 1 means what? Because symmetric element, first row, second column, second row, first column. Take divided by 2. 2 by 2 you will get. So 1, 2 is equal to 2, 1 is equal to 2 by 2, 1 you will get. Similarly, 1, 3, A13 is equal to A31 is equal to minus 6 by 2. Minus 6 by 2, how much you will get?
Minus 3.
So similarly, A23 is equal to A32 is equal to what you will get?
3.
3. So every element you got it or not. First you can fill the diagonal A11, A22, A33. Then this is what? 1, 2, 2, 1, 2 by 2. 1, 3, 3, 1, minus 3. 2, 3, 3, 2, 3. Just you can write everything. This is the quadratic form to matrix. Suppose if they given matrix, they ask quadratic form is what you will do. Just you can take this is 2x1 square. This you can write x1, x2, x3. Here x1, x2, x3. Just multiply 2x1 square minus 2x2 square, 4x3 square. This element question is what? 1 tell. This one question is what? Where it stands. What is the question of 1?
A12.
A1, 2. Here 1 means what? Make it double. Correct?
2.
So plus 2x1, 2 you can write. This minus 3 means what? Because this and this 1, 3, 1. So this and this I filled. So what is the balance now? This fellow is there. So this element equation is what?
A23.
So A23. Then now you let 6. This 2, 3 means what? Make it double. So what you will get?
6.
6. What element?
X2, X3.
X2, X3. So you are familiar. Suppose if they given matrix also, I will go here. If they given this shape also, I will come here. Okay or not? Any clear? Any problem? Now, right. This is only the story there. Now from this you can tell actually who is the diagonal elements. All of you tell me. Write down. Tell me, sir. LX1 square, 2x2 square, 5x3 square, 2, 3, 3, 1, 1, 2. So who are the diagonal elements?
10 to 5.
What?
10 to 5.
10 to 5. This job is what? Just fill in the diagonal. Then next element I want to 1, 2. A12 is equal to A21 is equal to what?
Minus 2.
Minus
Half of minus 4. Half of
4
minus
4 by 2 you can do. So what you will get? Minus 2. Similarly, 3, 1, 1, 3 is equal
minus
to
5.
minus 5.
10. Minus 10 by 2. Similarly, 2, 3, 3, 2 is equal to what?
3.
3.
Just check, right? All of you matrix, right, and tell me. What is the matrix? Tell me. What is the matrix?
10 minus 2
10
minus
minus 2
5
minus 5. Minus 2,
minus 2
2,
2
3.
3 minus 5 3 5
Huh? Last element is what? Tell me last row.
minus 5
3,
3
5.
5
3,
5.
5. Check once what you said correct or not. Correct or not? Before that you can write this all story. Now you are familiar. Suppose if they given us, you can able to write or not. From this what you will write? 10x1 square, 2x2 square. But you can write, if they ask me what matrices means what, in row you can write x1, x2, x3. In column you can write x1, x2, x3. Then without multiplication also one stroke I can write 10x1 square, 2x2 square, 5x3 square. This is what? Minus 4 x1, x2. This is what? Minus 5. What you get? 1, 3, yeah? Minus 10, 1, 3 position. Then this position. That's it. Getting or not? Now come on.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, tell me.
So why do we divide the coefficients of x2, x3 or x3, x1 by 2?
No, I'm taking matrix form, available forming x1, x2 multiple. That is the definition is what? X dash a x. Homogeneous equation. Quadratic form means. Bilinear means what? Two linear forms I will take. X1 is variable, 1 is one variable. I am writing as a quadratic form. Matrices I am writing as a one quadratic form. Polynomial form. This is it. This is one equation or not? Here how many variables are there? 1, 2, 3 variables. But I am writing homogeneous equation. Square, square. Then 1 plus 1 is square. 1 plus 1 is square. That's what? The quadratic form. Any form is a homogeneous of second degree is called what? Quadratic form. Matrices I am transforming into one quadratic form. Two variables. No, 3 variables I am writing here. X1 is one variable, X2 is one variable, X3 is one variable.
No, sir. So why do we divide it by 2 then? Why not the coefficients of x1 square, x2 square, x3 square, and why the coefficients of x2, x3, x3, x1?
You have only one diagonal element here. One time you will write it. But symmetric means what? 1, 2.
Oh, okay, sir. So they have to be repeated twice. That's why we divide them by 2.
Second row is second column. Both are same or not. A is equal to A transpose, If you want,
Yes,
right?
sir. Yes, sir.
If I ask blindly, write a symmetric form is what you write. First row, one row you can fill. Whatever, maybe any number you can tell me. First row.
So 10 minus 2 minus 5.
Wait. Don't tell. Only 3 numbers you can tell. First row.
So what?
Okay, first row, any 3 numbers you can tell. Different numbers.
Acha, sir, 3, 4, 5.
3, 4, 5. That 3, 4, 5, just you can fill in the first column. 3, 4, 5. Now you can fill the second row for same matrix.
Yes,
Already
sir.
4 is there. Then tell another 2 numbers. 4, 5, 6 can I write?
Sir, 4, 5. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then this 6 you can fill here. Second row is what? Second column. Then last element, what you want, you can write 8 like this. Now you can find transpose. What you are getting? Same thing or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, this 3 is what? This 3 is replaced first row, second column, and second row, first column. But diagonal elements only one time only will come. These
Yes, sir. They remain same. Yes, sir.
remaining are not 1, 2. I not equal to j means what? 2 times will come. I is equal to j means what? Only 1 time, because only one diagonal we have. A11, A22, A33.
A33. Yes, sir.
So, that's when we are dividing. That's why I told, if you want that quadratic form, strictly that matrix should be what?
Symmetric.
If it is not symmetric, also they can frame, that is somewhat tedious. Now lower level not required this. Ordinary matrix also we want that quadratic is what we want to break the elements, you want to divide something, you have to bring 2, 3 matrix, you have to write. Now you don't worry about it. In your level, guarantee quadratic form is what? Guarantee that should be what?
Symmetric matrix.
So no doubt at any cost. Getting or not?
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, good. Ask always doubts. If I don't know also, I will tell you after some time. Yes. Now this you can tell. Equation are the matrix is available. Then tell the quadratic form. Come on, all of you. Just wait. I will give one hint, but you can prepare multiply and tell you. After multiplication, I will give within 1 second. We can write x1, x2, 3. This. Then these two you can multiply and tell me. Tell me, multiply and tell me. See, because I am taking x dash 3, because here 3 means what? 1 by 3, this 3 by 3. 3 will cancel. This is what? 3 by 1, this 3. 3 cancel. Totally what matrix I will get? 1 by 1. Correct or not? This element is what? 1 by 3. This is 3 by 3. This is what? 3 by 1. 3, 3, 3. All 3's cancel means what? Total balance term is what? 1 by 1. Matrix I will get. So this is called x dash A x. Suppose if it is bilinear means what? I will take another fellow here. Instead of x, I will take y. All 9 elements I will fill. Quadratic means I can't. So now tell this, what is the quadratic form? Tell me.
Sir, x2 square.
Next.
Plus 3x3 square.
Next.
Plus
8x2 x3.
Plus x1 x3.
You filled this element, you filled. This element, you filled. This element, you filled. Remaining balance fellows, who is there?
Minus 2x1.
x2 square plus.
Yes. Come on here, somebody started. Minus 2.
x1,
what is it?
x2 4x1
minus 2
plus
x2 x3.
x1 x3.
Yeah. This position element is what? This position element is what? Minus 1 position element is what? It stands. Where it stands? Position of this element.
x1 x2.
1,
2. 1, 2.
So this what you will get to make it double. Minus 2 x1 x2. This is completed means what? This is also completed. Next come here. This fellow is what? Question is what? This fellow question is what?
Plus 4 x1 x3.
Yeah. Position tell me yaar. Where it stands? 2 where is sitting actually? Place of 2 is what?
So which element?
First row, 2, this 2.
The place of 2.
This 2.
So 1, 3.
My cursor is showing
1, 3.
first row, second column. Then third row, first column also same fellow. This fellow and this fellow also same. So this how can you write?
Plus 4x1, x3.
Very good. So this is a filled means what? This also is filled. This is already filled. This is already filled. So who is left now? This already filled diagonal elements. Next element who is there?
So 4.
2, 3.
This fellow is there.
2, 3.
This fellow position is what? Where?
2, 3.
2, 3. 2, 3 means what? X2, X3 or X3, X2, whatever may be product is same, nothing will happen. So this fellow become what?
3.
Plus 8
8
x2 x3.
8. X2, X3.
8.
x2, x3.
Now you can tell very fastly. Come on, quadratic equation.
x2 square plus 3x3 square minus 2x1 x2 plus 4x1
Very
x3
good.
plus 8x2
Very
x3.
good. Nice. What is your name?
Anjali, sir.
What? Anjali got one chocolate.
Anjali.
Yeah. You got one chocolate, yeah. When they open, I will give you. Come and meet me. Okay, yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Sir?
You're most welcome, yeah.
Sir?
Yes. Tell me.
Sir, it doesn't matter if you write x1, x2 or x2, x1 or...
Yes.
It's like x2, x3 or x3.
Both are same only, X2, X3
Okay,
or
sir.
X3, X2. Because this fellow only standing there. 2 into 3, 3 into 2. Nothing will happen. Correct?
Okay, yes, yeah. Yes, sir. Huh. Yes, sir.
Bilinear form is danger. Bilinear form is what I will write here. X1, X2, X3 and Y1, Y2. There you will understand. Y plus Y only will go to X plus X only will go. But it doesn't matter here. 2, 3 or 3, 2, whatever may be same. Correct or not? Because one fashion I am following, small number, big number, 1, 2, 2, 3, like this I will tell. It doesn't matter. Correct or not? See, without multiplication also, we told you, see now. First you have to get this. Next you have to get this. Next you will write. After all story you are getting this. Next. Now they will. Yes.
So,
tell me.
So in the exam, we have to write this whole procedure, means x dash a into x, and then we have to show the whole procedure, or can we write the answers?
Depending on question actually, if it is big question, means you have to multiply. MCQ means directly can write the answer.
Okay.
But you can keep in mind actually what answer you are getting in your mind is there means what somewhat you can do, you know. You cannot make mistake. Why I am giving hint actually? Already you know the answer. This is my destination. So whatever maybe I want to do this. In between, if you make mistakes also what? You will be cautious, you know. So I don't want to do like this. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Next type of the matrix is what? They will give quadratic form. They will ask to find canonical form by means of the orthogonal transformation. That is symmetric matrix only. Similarly, we can frame matrix. Then canonical form is what? We take another quadratic y1, y2, y3. After diagonalization, we multiply by y1, y2. So diagonalization means what elements will be? We get tell. After diagonalization, what elements will be there in diagonal matrix?
Eigenvalues.
That is lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3. So initially my equation is what? X1 square, X2 square, X3 square. After completing the whole problem, a canonical form is what? Get the diagonal matrix. Then you can write new variable, y1, y2, y3, y1, y2, y3. Then what you will get? Lambda y1 square, lambda 2, y2 square, lambda 3, y3 square. This is nothing but what? Canonical form. So up to orthonormal transformation is same story. Extra what we are doing final step, we are multiplying by bringing into quadratic form. That form is called canonical form. That how it will appear actually, it should be appear like with eigenvalues. My problem start with x1 square, x2 square, x3 square, but finally where I will reach, only diagonal element only stands. That diagonal element should be with y1, y2, y3. There is no y1, y2, y2, y3, y3, y1. Getting or not? That problem we do next class. That is a lengthy problem. That next class you have to bear with my video. Because video class is only they're asking. Because today is somewhat problem with blur, so I came back. Next class anyway you have to do. See. X dash x, this if you change this, they will do. This procedure not required. This is very, very important. Any quadratic form. Next class we do the problem, one problem. See. This after doing what I will get, this shape I will get. Then you will get multiply by y1, y2, y3. Then what you will get? D1. D1 is what diagonal element. Our lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3. Like up to rth power is telling. So this is called canonical form. What they will ask actually, give the problem for you in your hand. By means of quadratic transformation, given quadratic form, you can write into the canonical form. Canonical form is what? Just a normal story. Slowly can find eigenvectors, then normalized matrix, then you can call as a P. In your hand A available, P A P dash, then you will get diagonalization. After diagonal, to get canonical form, what you will do? Y1, Y2, Y3, then Y1, Y2, Y3. Just you get your problem will be started with x1, x2, x3. Finally, you will reach y1 square, y2 square, y3 square. Canonical form is what? No other elements only, diagonal elements only. It is called canonical form. That is also quadratic form only. But new variable I am introducing. See. Now this reduce the quadratic form to canonical form. This problem you can leave it. This you can tell the matrices, you can tell me now at least all of you. 3x1 square, 5x2 square, 3x2 square. Then is what? 2, 3, 3, 1, 1, 2. Tell the matrix now. Tell me matrices.
Sir, 3 minus 1, 1, minus 1, 5, minus 1, 1 minus
1, 3.
Hey, one you can tell. First row tell all of you.
3 minus 1, 1.
3 minus 1, 1. Good. Second row.
minus 1, 5, minus 1.
Hey, come on again. Second row is what?
Minus 1, 5, minus 1.
5.
Minus 1.
Check. First row, third column. First row, second column. Second row, first column. Second row, third column. Last element is what? Last element. Second row, last element.
Minus
1.
Very good. Third row.
1, minus 1, 3.
Check. We will check. All of you note down or not? Just we check whether what we are doing. Correct? 3 minus 1. Check all of you got same value?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the now actually whole story. Extra part is what up to what we done same thing. This problem we are transferring. Here again whole story. What you will get? A minus lambda I. Then lambda values you will get. These all are old story. Lambda is good 2, 3, 6. Once if you get the lambda, find the eigenvectors. These already these two you can take, find 3 eigenvectors you will get. Once if you get the normalize, then P dash. So I am going here fast, sir. You have to do this lot of very danger. Then P dash AP, what you will get? What he told, first you can take small number eigenvector, next is large number, P dash AP is equal to what? You will get D. Once if you get the D, this is the new story. Up here is what? Old story. Here what you are doing? Y1, Y2, Y3, then Y1, Y2, Y3. So this is the canonical form. Can you able to do this? Tell me. Yes. Matrices you formed, then eigenvalues you founded, then eigenvectors you founded. Once if you found the eigenvectors, what you will do? P dash normalized matrix you can find out. Once if you find the normalized matrix P dash AP, you will get diagonal matrix. Once if you get the diagonal matrix, what you will do? Finally, y1, y2. This is the new step actually. Compared to previous step, this is the new step. Are you okay getting or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Why so dull? We decided to don't worry this separate videos and send you, but up to now we got it or not? Roughly understanding or not? Why so dull after lunch? After lunch hour only this, you know. So see, this what they are telling. The quadratic form x dash through transformation x is equal. This is all story. This in terms of what I am telling. Y dash. This I am telling in terms of y. This is called nothing but what? Canonical form. This problem also we can try. Sir, here only x1, x2, 1, 3, 2, 3 means what is the same matrix? Can you tell? This is also the quadratic form only. Then who are the diagonal elements?
0,
0, 0, 0.
Very good. Then nice. This also. This notes already with you. Just you can try. Almost I reached actually. One repeated also you are familiar how to do repeated. This you can try. Already I told you pair of the eigenvalue should be orthogonal. Such a way you can choose eigenvectors. Then you will get 3 cases. This problem also you can try. Otherwise, this I will do. Don't worry. Next class. So up to here is what? Canonical form.